Most children get confused between speed and velocity, but it's actually very easy. Speed means how fast an object is moving. Speed is calculated as total distance divided by time. Speed only tells how much distance you covered. It doesn't care about direction. Speed is called a scalar quantity. Scalar means quantity which has only magnitude. Magnitude means value or amount. Velocity means how fast an object moves in a particular direction. Velocity is calculated as displacement divided by time. Velocity only cares about direction. Velocity is a vector quantity. Vector means a quantity which has magnitude and direction both, unlike a scalar quantity which has only magnitude. If you walk 10 meters forward and 10 meters back, so the total speed. Follow for more simple physics concepts. Follow for more simple and easy physics